How to see Street View in Google Maps. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Street View in Google Maps. It's a super cool way to explore places virtually. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app. Search for the location you want to see in Street View. You can search for an address, a business, or a landmark. Once you find the location, tap on it to bring up the location's information card at the bottom of the screen. If Street View is available, you'll see a small thumbnail image of the Street View in the top left corner of the information card. Tap on that thumbnail. Once you're in Street View, you can look around by swiping your finger on the screen. To move down the street, tap on the arrows that appear on the road. You can also zoom in and out by pinching and spreading your fingers on the screen. To exit Street View, tap the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. And there you have it. Now you know how to use Street View on Google Maps on your Android phone. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Google Maps tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.